CPR. Let's see who is going to be the champion today.
How's the Josh? Again, how's the Josh? That's better. So, we had a preliminary round yesterday. Thank you, there were 8 teams. Very tough competition. And now we've got 3 finalists. The first finalist to sort of go through the drill are team from Maharashtra. Maharashtra strong. Give a big round of applause, everyone. Right, I will lay out some general rules. Before that, I would like to introduce my colleagues, Professor Ramanathan and Professor Rodrigo. So we are all going to be the match referees today. So no sort of guesses who we favor. Right, so general rules, and then once you are happy, I will give you your scenario. Okay? Once I give you the scenario, I would like you to repeat it back to me so that I know that you understood the scenario correctly. Is that okay? So the general rules, you have a patient who has already had a cardiac arrest. They are 10 minutes into CPR. The consent is already obtained, so you don't have to talk about that. And the decision has been made that they are a candidate for ACPR. Okay? So all we are going to see is your cannulation sort of drill, right? The second thing, there will be a twist in a tail, as you would expect. This is the final. There might be dew on the ground. The pitch might start turning, or there might be no bounce or unexpected bounce.
So when the tough gets going gets tough.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah?
Exactly. This is the final. Okay? So you expect some sort of, twist in the tail, right? And you have got your trolley there. So make sure that, you need everything you have. There is a set over there, right? To climb your circuit. Yeah? And in terms of sort of access, depending on the anatomy, whichever side you prefer.
No central cannulation.
No chest opening, and no causing sort of chest tamponades and all that stuff. Happy? Yes.
Anything else you want to clarify?
Before we start, happy? Other teams? Yeah.
We will tell you with the scenario. So all these things will come up with the scenario. Yeah. We'll tell you where the arrest is happening, and all those stuff will come along with the scenario. Okay, just to give you one quick brief, it's quite similar to what the marking scheme, again, I'm just clarifying. The teams will be marked for the quality of CPR, the ACLS. They'll be marked for cannulation, they'll be marked for connection, priming of circuit, overall hemodynamic management of the patient, and post-ECPR management. Right? The expectation is some of the things may not be available. Defibrillatory is not here. You don't have an ultrasound. So we expect you to say it loud.
Yeah, and you don't have fluoroscopy either.
Do we need to make mask by ourselves, or it will be? No, so my staff will do that. Okay,
Yeah.
so we have it started.
And in the scenario, if you need any more information, you can ask us, we'll give you the information.
Can we have the USD or not? We can ask.
You can ask for it, but technically, no, because it's equal for
We can
everyone.
ask for DP, we can ask for USD.
Yeah.
You don't have an ID stand, so you have a human stand.
So, like any other simulation, there is a bit of a suspended animation, which you just have to expect and go with it, unfortunately. Right. Everyone ready? Yes, sir. Teams ready?
Timer. Yes, ready.
Ready.
One, begin!
Mask, Go for the CPR first. Yes.
Please start the CPR.
Team is getting ready.
Looks like here, there is no pulse. Maintaining a seat. I assume artery has been given in the last 10 minutes. Please repeat an artery every 5 minutes. Get ready to stop.
Yes, earlier.
Please check the pupils. Please check the pulse once I complete the picture. You can check the pupils. CPR is going on. Not reacting. Pupils are not. Base bound. Yeah, we need.
Please open the close, open the
Yeah,
close.
we are shocked. We are shocking. Shock. 200 jobs. Shock. On air.
Vishal, please.
Shock given.
Please bring the trolley.
Third dose of adrenaline given. One shock given.
Please bring the trolley here.
Looks like we have better rhythm.
Getting rep.
Continue CPR.
Sir, Sterilium.
Once after 2 minutes, we check the pulse. Continue CPR.
Dean is ready to
Please give me a
cannulate
painting
now.
wrapping material, please.
Do you have the sponge over there?
Looks like
Sponge,
again
sponge,
breathing.
sponge.
Continue CPR.
Be
After
fast,
2
be
minutes.
fast.
Bow.
Bow,
Beta
bow,
D line
bow.
ito?
Betadine has been here, yes. I started painting, wrapping. Both the side I will do painting and wrapping because it is a case of DVD, so I have to be prepared both the sides.
Till knee.
Give me a complete whole sheet, whole sheet.
Looks like VT. Yeah,
Painting
please
and wrapping done. Let it be dry for a second. Meanwhile, we'll prepare for it.
Clock is ticking.
3 doses of adrenaline given.
Yes.
You're continuing CPR. Please go
Do
ahead.
we have another drip?
No. Give me a puncture needle, please. Puncture needle. Vishal, puncture needle
Checking the
fast.
pulse.
Puncture
No
needle,
pulse.
dilator, guide
Very
wire,
good.
everything
Like
will be ready.
I'm
Yes.
getting ready with the shock. Continue CPR. Yes. Shock is ready. Charge. 1 second.
One second.
Shock given. Back CPR. 2 shocks given. 4 adrenaline given.
Yes, artery is
CPR is
punctured.
going on.
Vein and artery both has been punctured. We are putting guide wire inside.
Just a second. Let them just let the guide wire. Let them
Continue CPR. Please continue with the CPR.
The rhythm is total. Earth is total.
Okay, guide wire is going smoothly.
Give the dilators.
Dilator.
This guide wire is itself.
Okay.
Vishal, just match a guide wire.
We are continuing CPR.
I am finding difficulty in putting a guide wire inside. Guide wire.
Pull the team. Pull the team.
We are continuing CPR. Earth is total.
I am putting a guide wire inside. As I was finding difficulty putting a guide wire, I started inserting from the back side.
Okay, give me arterial cannula.
Hold it, and not able to put a guide wire inside.
Yeah. 2 minutes over.
You are not
Check the pulse.
able to guide wire
No
inside.
pulse. No pulse. I'm continuing CPR. Looks like earth is total.
Okay.
We are not giving shock this time. We are continuing CPR.
Please change the guide wire.
Do we have extra guide wire?
Vishal, give me a dilator. Meanwhile, I'll start dilating. Set of dilators.
CPR is going on. Looks like slightly better rhythm. 2 shocks have been given. 4 adrenaline have been given. If we need talk, we'll keep ready with the quarter of 300 mg. Get ready with the drugs.
Hold it. You will start dilating. I'll
I
try.
have started already. I have already.
Call the CBTS surgeons also as a case of
CBTS surgeon.
Sir, don't start. You need to bring it.
Yeah, I'll try to pick a vein on this side. I think needle is broken.
There is a needle. There is a needle in between the legs. There is a needle. CPR is going on.
Give it.
CPR is going on. CPR is going on.
Yes.
CPR is going on. 2 minutes over. Pulse check. Pulse check.
No flow?
No pulse. No pulse. Looks like we are continuing CPR. Adrenaline 5th dose. Can you please give adrenaline 5th dose? Given. Continue. Bagging at 12 to 12
Needle
minutes.
blocked. Needle is blocked.
Per minute. We need a new needle. Open new needle. We are continuing CPR. Looks like BP.
Please be fast. Please be
I am
fast.
charging the defibrillator. One guide wire is in, so no need to give the shock. We'll just continue the CPR. Okay.
So is there?
No, just
no,
check with the
this side.
syringe.
Continue
continue CPR. We are
Yes,
finding
yes, we are
difficult
continuing.
to another
We are
cannula.
continuing. We are not giving shock because one guide wire is in. We are just
Yes, I
Yes,
got-
yes,
I
yes,
got
yes,
the
please.
puncture.
Yes, please give a guide wire. Guide wire.
open new guide wire. Fast. Just hold on to my tape, the guide wire. Don't let that fall.
Deep on the down, yeah.
I'll take the needle out.
Push the guide wire in.
Yes, we are in.
Guide wire is
Second
in.
cannulation chest.
No, it is
Finding
difficult.
difficulty. Same was here on the head side.
It's difficult.
Both the side guide wire is not able to cannulate. Puncture has been done, but the guide wire is not
Another
going
puncture over
in.
there.
Take another root puncture.
Guide wire is not going.
Same I am finding here also. I do a puncture. There is a flow, but guide wire is not going. Please continue with the CPR. Do we have another option? We can.
No, but it's a drainage, right? Drainage we need medicine. Or central. Central. You have the option central.
No.
2 minutes over. Checking the pulse. No pulse. Guide wire is in. We can't. We are not giving shock. We are continuing CPR. Adrenaline. 5th dose of adrenaline.
There is no flow. I think we are in the vessels, but both the side we are finding difficulty. There is no back flow. There is no back flow. Do another puncture.
Yeah. Now you feel.
There is no flow. I am in the vessels, but there is still. Please do the cut open. Open the groin. Open the groin. Yes, we have a surgeon in a team. We try to open the groin.
CPR is going on. Still looks like V-fit. We're trying to secure the venous side.
I am in the vessel as the groin was open, but still finding difficulty with flow. No, I am in the vessel because the groin is open, but still there is no flow.
No, we are struggling with the venous.
Give me series. Give me series. I want another series.
Yes, you got the flow.
No. I am in. No. I am in. It is visible vessel here. Left cut down. In this, I think there is no flow.
Yeah.
I am in the
Needle is blocked.
The vessel is
CPR is going on. CPR is going on. Still looks like a V-fit. We have given 7 doses of adrenaline.
See, I am in the vessel. It is visible. So I am in the vessel, but still.
No, the needle is. Yes, sir. Guide wire is getting thick.
Even then.
Yes, I got your blood. Okay, go with the guide wire. Yes.
Yes.
We are in.
Another
We are
guide
in.
wire is in.
We are
Yes,
in.
please give
Come
me
on.
the dilator. Give me a dilator.
We are CPR. Yes, CPR in. 5,000 heparin. I'm giving 5,000 heparin. Guide wire
Be
is.
ready with the cannula.
Yes. Heparin 5,000 given. CPR is going on. Still looks like V-fit.
Check for ACT. Heparin has
Yes.
been given.
We are checking ACT. ACT is gone to the. Yeah, please get an ACT value as soon as possible. Adrenaline is going on. CPR is going on.
You are not
Is ready? Yes. ACT 160.
okay.
Yes.
What my sir, needle.
Sir, needle.
Dilator की जरूरत नहीं है. Directly go with the this thing. I need the clamp for artery.
Clamp for the
Give me a vessel. Give me a vessel.
Clamp. Reply, give me the clamp. You are ready with the circuit priming? Okay.
arterial cannula is in. Clamp. Get ready with the circuit and pre-filled CPR is still going on.
So we are putting another.
7 doses of adrenaline given. No quadrant because we gave only
Okay,
2
there are
shots.
some kinks in between the guide wires.
Yeah, the guide wire is king. It is finding difficulty to push in the cannula. Yes.
See, the guide wire is out.
Tip is out. Yes. Push the cannula in. Yes. Give me a clamp. Be ready with the clamp. Give me a clamp. Are you able to push the cannula in?
Yes. Okay. Not much.
Not much. Try to push it open, slightly open the groin and check it whether we are in. But finding difficulty.
No pulse. CPR is still going on.
Check with ultrasound.
Let me try.
Fluoroscopy. Can we check with the fluoroscopy guide wire is in place? No. We can't have fluoroscopy. We have
Just give me another needle.
Okay, sir. No issues.
Need to.
Can we
Give some gauze piece to apply the pressure over it. We are finding difficulty to push the cannula in.
I want. Okay, relax. I'm taking another arterial pressure. Yes, okay, I got the.
Yes.
No pulse.
I am taking this cannula out and we will apply the pressure over it.
Okay, I want the guide wire, please.
Let the guide wire to be in. I'll just apply the pressure.
Give me another
I am
guide
taking
wire.
out the
because all the
cannula.
another
I'm
guide wire.
letting
CPR
the
is going
artery
on.
out.
Yeah, sure.
CPR is going on.
I want guide wire, please.
One more guide wire. Yeah, you have guide wire. CPR is going on. 8 dose of antibiotic given. We are given 1 calcium gluconate.
Guide wire is not going in.
So again, means we have to try with the same size. Can we have the low size cannula? Can we have low size cannula? That's all we have. That's all we have. Do we have option?
No center, no neck.
Okay, I'll try to. Yes, we'll try because still the guide wire is. I'll try to push the cannula in again.
Can we use one dilator because
We open the vessel.
CPR is going on.
I'm trying again in the same vessel as we are finding difficulty to push the guide wire in another side also. The guide wire is finding difficulty to push inside. We'll try.
Come on.
Okay.
Should go in.
Give me some saline over it. Give me some saline. Yes. I'm in.
Okay, be ready with the
Be ready with the connection.
Let the blood out. Arterial blood.
Clamp.
Arterial blood I let out. Okay.
Give me a clamp. Take it out. Take the dilator out. Give.
Have you not had your lunch?
CPR is still going on. Come on. More cheering. Adrenaline.
Okay. There is no air. There is no air.
DS.
You finished?
Check the flow.
Yes.
Okay, there is no air.
Connected. Open the venous side first. Increase the RPM.
I'm continuing CPR. Till flows are 3 liters.
Venous clamp has been removed. Remove the arterial and increase the RPM. Increase the RPM directly to 3000. Check the color difference. Vitals, please.
Yes.
Ask for.
Heart rate 70. Looks like that.
We are going up on the floor.
Map is 70. Map is coming up. SATs is yet to be shown. But looks like pulse oximetry.
You please be ready to cannula.
100% FiO2.
Increase the speed. Increase the RPM. Ask the family to go around
3 liters. I'm continuing CPR.
Ask the.
1 minute of sustained flow.
Okay.
Good color change.
Confirm the cannula
What was the hemoglobin?
1 minute of sustained
1
flow.
minute of sustained.
What was the hemoglobin?
Wait, ask for PTT,
So,
ACT,
hemoglobin
ABG.
was
ACT was
8
160, APT
It was
is
8.
75.
when you started.
We are starting testing PRPCs for emergent massive transfer.
We'll send for some
We'll check
bloods.
cannulation with CM and we need a distal perfusion for immediately go with the PCI.
Right, let's wait for 1 minute of sustained flow.
Okay.
I'm monitoring heart rate is 70, SATs are 90, 86, MAP is 70.
Maybe 70 is
Flows 3 liters.
Keep the suture material ready and keep the.
Big round of applause.